my detailer brush, eyebrow brush, angle brush. Yeah, this is the only one I've used. That one is dirty. Then I have my crease brush, and I use it to apply eyeshadows for the lid as well as the brow bone as well. And I use it to low light. And in here, bitch, and to highlight, this brush is the baby. Look, you see, like babies. And then we have our flat brushes. This one is goat hair. You see that white shit? Baby premium. It's going premium over here. Okay, and then we have natural hair. Where's the flat? I nearly blew off, but no, I prepared it. So this is flat top, brow bone, lid, crease, under here. I mean, even to the lips. Yeah. So this is the complete set, 10-piece brush set and the brush cylinder. It was 13,500. Now it is